I'm Jeff Hearn, the director of the Tenants Rights Clinic here at Law. The Tenants Rights Clinic is a clinic which gives students the opportunity to represent tenants in low-income housing who are being evicted from their homes. Many of these tenants are being evicted for criminal activities of their kids. This clinic will give you the opportunity to represent these tenants. As an example of some of the work that students in past years have done, we've had a student who's represented a woman who's lived in public housing for more than 20 years, and she was being evicted because her son was arrested for a small amount of marijuana. We were able to get that eviction dismissed by arguing a motion to dismiss in county court, and that opinion by the judge is now reported and is being used across the state by other advocates. We also have had a student who argued a case on appeal, arguing that the county court improperly entered a final judgment against a tenant for an eviction for non-payment of rent, when in fact the landlord was actually seeking to evict the tenant for not paying pressure cleaning fees. And we've had students who wrote the appellate brief and then did the oral argument in front of a 3-judge panel and was successfully overturned the judgment in the lower court. Most of the students have certified legal internship, a CLI status. However, there are opportunities for students who don't have CLI. They can represent tenants in administrative hearings to represent tenants who are losing their housing subsidy. Some of the details about the clinic: it is a 1-semester clinic, 6 credit hours, it's graded. The clinic takes place at Legal Services of Greater Miami, where I work, which is located at 3000 Biscayne Boulevard. The students work 12 hours a week on cases, and then there's a 2-hour class each week on Wednesdays at 3 p.m. The class covers a broad range of legal issues surrounding landlord-tenant law and U.S. housing policy related to subsidized housing.